My name is Dirk Dujezivken. I'm coming from Germany.
My name is Josef Grabner.
My name is Daige Strele. I'm from Latvia.
My name is Henk van Scherpenzeel from the Netherlands.
I'm Tom from Belgium.
Here, Berta from Poland.
I'm Gerard Passola.
My name is Valentino Cristini.
My name is Jarko Larek.
And at the European Arboricultural Standards Conference end of August in Czech Republic.
I will talk about mismanaged tree restorative pruning.
I'm going to speak about anchoring systems.
Cabling and bracing.
Pruning and new insights about compartmentalization.
How to implement standards in organization.
Tree architecture and the link to pruning.
Pruning of young trees. To prune or not to prune? That's the question.
So please come. I would like to meet you there.
Looking forward to see you all.
See you soon.
In Průhonice.